Hello everyone, welcome back to Agape Love. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and lightweight crochet mesh top using only treble crochet stitch. This pattern is actually beginner friendly because it mainly uses chain stitches and treble crochet. The size that I'm wearing is small. If you want bigger size, I'll explain you later in the tutorial. And now grab your yarn hook and let's get started. So here I'm using 4.0 mm crochet hook and two colors of yarn. We will start by making a slip knot. So this is the front panel of our top. Now insert your hook and now we will work chain 72. So let's do chain 72. So here I am making small size, so I will do chain 72. For medium size you should go for 92 chains, for large 102 chains, and for extra large 122 chains. Your chain count should be divisible by 4. So let's complete 72 chains. "72" chain is complete, and now we will add 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3, and now skip 3 chains from our hook and into 4th opening insert your hook and work 1 double crochet. Again into next chain 1 double crochet, and like this complete the row with 1 double crochet stitch. So our second row of double crochet is complete. Now add 6 chains, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now turn your work, and now we will do treble crochet. So yarn over your hook twice and skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Into 4th opening insert your hook and work 1 treble crochet, and then chain 3. Now again skip 3 stitches, into 4th opening 1 treble crochet, yarn over your hook twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. So this is our mesh pattern, and like this we will complete the row till the end. So our row is complete. Let's do our last stitch, chain 3 and last treble crochet, yarn over your hook twice, and where we did our chain 2 and last treble crochet we will work there. Then again chain 6 for the next row, and then turn your work, and now for the next row we will work over these treble crochet stitches right here. Yarn over your hook twice, then into this tiny hole we will work our treble crochet right here. And then again chain 3 and treble stitch over the previous treble stitch. So like this, chain 3 treble stitch, chain 3 treble stitch. We will complete our row like this. Let's finish our row, and the third row is complete. Now chain 1, turn your work, and into these squares now we will work into these gaps. So right here we will work 3 half double crochet. And after 3 half double crochet we will work our next double crochet into this stitch. And then again into this gap 3 half double crochet, and the next one over this previous treble crochet stitch. So like this complete the row, and our 4th row is complete with 18 squares. And now chain 1 and make a long loop. Right here we will change color, so pull a loop of the other color of yarn and secure the end like this. And now we will add chain 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then turn your work. And please make sure that you are securing this end. Now we will work into this previous treble crochet row right here. But if you want, you can just count the 3 stitches. Into 4th opening we will work our treble crochet. Add one more chain, then yarn over your hook twice. Now into 4th opening right here, insert your hook and work 1 treble crochet, then chain 3. Again yarn over your hook twice. Into 4th opening, treble crochet. And like this we will complete our front panel with 2 rows of one color and 2 rows of our second color. So I will do 4 rows of color A and 5 of B. And in the last row we will work 3 half double crochet in one square and 4th half double crochet over our last treble crochet stitch. So like this, complete this row also. And in the last half double crochet, chain 1, make a long loop and then cut this off. And also cut the other color yarn. Right here, make it tight, then cut it off and make a knot right here to secure it. And like this, our front panel is complete. And this is how our front panel looks like. You can count the rows, or you can increase or decrease the length according to your desire. With the same pattern I have crocheted the back panel also. And now let's start making the sleeves. So the process is same. Again we will make slip knot and chain 60. For the sleeves we will do chain 60. You can check according to your measurements. And then we will work double crochet in each of these chains like this. And then we will do chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then turn your work and skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and into 4th opening we will work our treble crochet stitch. And then chain 3. So our first square of the sleeve is ready. The process is same: chain 3, treble crochet, chain 3, treble crochet. And after 2 rows keep changing the color. So like this, complete the sleeve. And for the sleeve we will not do last half double crochet stitch. We will work this treble crochet stitch and then make a loop, then cut the yarn. And right here we have both tails. Now make 3 knots to secure it properly. So our one sleeve is complete. You can count the rows or increase or decrease according to your desirable length, and make one more sleeve like this. So our front and back panels are ready and both sleeves are also ready. And now let's attach this front and back panel and then sleeves. So this is our front and back panel, and we will attach these 2 ends like this till here, and we will skip these 3 rows because this is our armhole. And on the other side also we will start attaching both the panels from this end like this, from here to this edge, and these 3 rows we will skip these for the armhole. So I'm using this needle to attach these panels. So our one side is complete. I just used, actually I forgot to record that part. I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm just using the normal needle and this yarn. And now just secure the end like this. And we have skipped 3 rows for the armhole. Just secure it. So our both panels are completely joined, and this is the armhole. And right here we will attach the sleeves. But first let's join the other end, and after joining the both ends we will count the 5 squares from our neck side, and we will attach these 2 panels and create a round armhole. And here I am using the same color yarn, which is maroon. So let's complete till the 5 squares. And then secure the end. So one side is ready. Let's do the same on the other side. Count the 5 squares and attach it. So both sides are joined, and this is the neck. Now we will attach the sleeves to these armholes. So these are the arms, and make sure you have the wrong side outside. Okay, the right side should be inside and wrong side should be outside. And yeah, like this. Let's sew the arm. So this is the wrong side of our front and back panel. This is the armhole. And now you need to make sure that you are joining both on the wrong side so that we have clean look on the right side. So these both are our joints. Now right here we will start attaching them with each other, and like this we will sew the arm to the armhole. I'm using the same needle and yarn. Then let's attach this arm and finish this sewing part. And after attaching both the sleeves, your crochet mash top is ready. I know joining this front and back panel is a little bit tricky and tough, but you can once again go through this tutorial and it's very super easy. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. And if you make this crochet mash top, I would love to see your version. Share your creation in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a crochet update. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!